Hi guys. This video will show you how to control and play PowerPoint presentation from Android phone to Windows desktop or laptop. Step 1. Download and install the software on PC. Open your browser and go to Connect.com. Go to the download section and then click on the download link button. Download the app for Windows. Once the file is downloaded, go to the folder that contains the installer file and double-click on the file to run the install process. And then follow the instructions on your screen. After completion installation, click on Finish button and then launch the app. Step 2. Install the app on your smart device. Open Google Play Store, search for PC Remote and install the app on your Android phone. Step 3. Make sure your phone is on the same Wi-Fi network as your PC. Once it's done, open PC Remote app on your Android phone. Tap on Connect button. It'll display you a list of remotes you can select. Choose your PC. Now you are ready to use. On your PC, open your PowerPoint presentations. On your phone, tap on the three dots, upper right corner. Make sure the PPT icon is checked. Now, you tap on PPT tab, and you can control and play PowerPoint presentation from Android phone.